Will Ola Electric discontinue its flagship model Ola S1 Pro variant? The answer seems to be yes. Why Ola Electric will discontinue its flagship model? Let's explore in this video. Namaste, I am Krishnitanya Mandela, your EV bro. On August 15, 2021, Ola Electric launches two variants, Ola S1 and Ola S1 Pro in the market. But technically speaking, there is not much difference between these two models. Similar specification except the battery pack variant. The S1 comes with a 3 kWh battery pack, whereas the S1 Pro model comes with a almost close to 4 kWh battery pack. Even the motor power also similar in S1 and S1 Pro, 5.5 kW and peak power of 8.5 kW. But in terms of top speed, the company actually controlled the speed with a software. Also, they have removed the hyper mode in the S1 variant. Otherwise, S1 and S1 Pro models are same electric scooters. From day one onwards, Ola Electric promoted the S1 Pro model as their flagship variant with 181 km range. Even though there is 30,000 rupees price difference, because of features like hill hold and cruise control option, most of the customers opted for Ola S1 Pro instead of Ola S1 variant. Within 1 year, Ola Electric became number one in the electric two-wheeler segment, and they have recorded as the number one electric two-wheeler market share gain, and the major sales happened in the S1 Pro variant. Then started the problems for Ola Electric. Few of their Ola Electric customers reported the problems with suspension issues, the monoshock suspension. Some of the customers posted some videos about the breakage of the suspension. But Ola Electric gives the clarification there is no problem with the suspension. Due to some accidents or higher collision only, the suspension problems occurs or the suspension gets break. Surprisingly, on October 2022, Ola Electric launches Ola S1 Air variant with a flat footboard space and telescopic suspension. Even though Ola Electric launches the S1 Air variant with low specifications, low power and even with a BLDC hub motor, the company gave hint that in the future the company going to shift to telescopic suspension. Also a surprising thing, before the launch of Ola S1 Air variant, the company gave lot of statements that the monoshock suspension is safer. But after the launch of Ola S1 Air variant, in their official website they clearly mentioned that the telescopic suspension is more safer. Even after the launch announcement of Ola S1 Air, few of the customers still reported about the suspension issues of Ola S1 Pro and Ola S1 variants, especially with the monoshock suspension. But again, Ola Electric gave the clarification that they have tested their electric scooter for almost like more than 2 lakh kilometers, and they have tested the electric scooter on the toughest road conditions of India. But again, on March 14, 2023, Ola Electric released a press note that they are going to upgrade their suspension as a part of their improvements. It's a free upgrade to all their existing customers of Ola S1 and S1 Pro variants. Also, if you check the blog articles of Ola Electric, it is clearly mentioned that in rare incidents, due to accidents or higher impacts, the front fork arm may break. After 5 months from this suspension upgrade announcement, on August 15, 2023, Ola Electric launches 3 new electric scooter variants, Ola S1X, Ola S1 Air and Ola S1 Pro Gen 2. Here the surprising thing, even for Ola S1X variants also, Ola Electric upgraded with telescopic suspension and flat footboard space. S1 Air variant, even the flagship variant, Ola S1 Pro Gen 2 variant also comes with a flat footboard space and telescopic suspension. The new Ola S1 Pro Gen 2 variant comes with upgrades like telescopic suspension and flat footboard space, and there is not much difference in the motor power. They have slightly increased the peak power, slightly increased the range and also increased the top speed. But even after Ola Electric launches the S1 Pro Gen 2 variant, still they are accepting the orders for Ola S1 Pro Gen 1 variant. However, if you clearly observe the Ola Electric official website, they are highlighting the Ola S1 Pro Gen 2 variant than the Ola S1 Pro Gen 1 variant. If you go back for 2021, initially Ola Electric highlighted the Ola S1 Pro model instead of Ola S1 variant. Now what happened? Ola Electric discontinued the Ola S1 variant. Now Ola Electric want to completely shift to telescopic suspension and flat footboard space to their entire electric scooters portfolio. By looking all these situations, we can clearly understand that within upcoming months or by next year, Ola Electric will definitely discontinue its Ola S1 Pro Gen 1 variant. Actually, there is a reason too. Earlier, Ola Electric discontinued the S1 variant. For that, they have given a reason that there is lot of interest from the customer for the S1 Air variant. That is the reason we have discontinued the S1 variant. In the same way, the price difference between the Ola S1 Pro Gen 2 variant and the Gen 1 variant is 7,500 rupees. Compared with the Ola S1 Pro Gen 1 variant, the Gen 2 variant comes with much safer telescopic suspension and flat footboard space, even slightly better range as well. So of course, most of the customers will prefer for the Ola S1 Pro Gen 2 variant. So considering the low interest, Ola Electric will say that they're going to discontinue the S1 Pro Gen 1 variant. Well, you may have one question. This is not only for the case of Ola Electric, even Ather Energy also did the same. But that's a different scenario. If you consider Ather 450X Gen 2 and Gen 3 variant, they haven't changed the physical structure of the electric scooter. They have upgraded the battery pack from 2.9 kWh to 3.7 kWh battery pack. And there are some slight modification in the tire, the mirrors, even the software upgrades. But now if you look at the Ola S1 Pro variant, they have made some design changes. Especially they have changed the monoshock suspension to telescopic suspension and also changed to flat footboard space. But both the companies, there is one similarity. Whenever they are going to upgrade from one generation to next generation, they are discontinuing the old generation vehicle. The fact is, Ola Electric plan is customers need to shift from Ola S1 Pro Gen 1 variant to Ola S1 Pro Gen 2 variant. But they will definitely say that because of the low interest for the Ola S1 Pro Gen 1 variant, they may say that they're going to discontinue that model in the future. Just to open Ola Electric official website, in the first page itself you will get a complete clarification. They are highlighting the flat footboard space and telescopic suspension variants. Also for Ola Electric, if they use a similar kind of suspension for all their existing models, production becomes easier for Ola Electric. But Ola S1 Pro Gen 1 customers no need to disappoint, because the company will definitely maintain the spare parts for the Ola S1 Pro Gen 1 variant as well, because Ola Electric already having 2 lakh customers which are using Ola S1 Pro Gen 1 variants. So in the future we are going to see more flat footboard space and telescopic suspension from Ola Electric scooters. But actually it's a good decision from Ola Electric, because if you are using a high speed electric scooter, that too with 120 km/h top speed, the telescopic suspension is more reliable for Indian road conditions. That's the complete story why Ola Electric will discontinue the Ola S1 Pro Gen 1 variant in the future. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to EV Bro. Charge the nature, drive the future.